Hi everyone, my name is Michele. The article that I am discussing is Supporting the Emotional Needs of Students with Learning Disabilities, written by Rachel Ekmek. A brief overview of the article talks about when students are diagnosed with a disability, we often only focus on the academics, but need to focus on their emotional and mental health. It is common for students with a disability to experience emotional struggles that can manifest itself in different ways. It is easier for students to get help with the academics and more difficult to provide emotional and mental support. The author feels that students with a disability may have lower self-esteem, anxiety, or act out. They may also feel dumb. When they feel this way, the best way to handle it is to talk to your child about what their disability is and how we are going to work to help them. Kids may also feel like they stick out in class. The best way to handle that is, when this happens, be sensitive to the child's feelings and give a lot of positive praise. How do I feel about this? I feel that students with a disability are often singled out. Not enough support is given to teachers on how to support the emotional needs of children with disability. We need to focus more on the social well-being of a student with a disability more than their academic needs. In my classroom, the things that I want to implement are creating a safe and supportive environment for students, and not just those with a disability, for all students. Also, talk with families and students to determine their biggest fear and ways that we can conquer their fear. And also to focus on the students' emotional needs first. Real change can't happen until relationships and stability have been accomplished. Thank you for listening.